how to sell advisory from the get-go to every single one of your clients. This is something that you must do. And episode 83 of my podcast is an interview with a bookkeeper who did exactly that from startup, and you can too. First of all, I'd love to help you more on this subject, and to do that, I'm running a 5-part workshop series very soon. So I do recommend that you click the link to register so you get access to that, whether you come along live or you watch the recordings. I want to help you thrive. So how to sell advisory from the get-go. Well, how do I do it? How do my clients do it? Number one, we have a great value proposition, which is conveyed in a key signature brochure. We turn that into a video sales letter. Then we sell a file health check first. That gives our clients more time to get to know, like, and trust us. And then lastly, we have a killer conversion process, and they simply self-assess into the advisory themselves with no need for us to sell. I truly believe that selling is dead and self-assessing is in. So I would love to help you sell advisory from the get-go and sell it to your legacy clients as well. And to do that, the next best step is to register for my free 5-part workshop series coming soon. Click the link to register.